In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks online payment history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to view the charges for your subscription, verify amounts and dates, and quickly access the details you might need for bookkeeping, reimbursements, or audits. Once you're signed in to QuickBooks Online with the appropriate access, head to the top right of your screen and select the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol that opens a panel of account controls. You can do this from almost any page in QuickBooks, including the home dashboard. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Intuit occasionally refreshes the interface, but the gear icon remains the consistent gateway to your account and billing settings. From the menu that appears, choose Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to the billing center for the company you're currently viewing. If you manage more than one company, check the company name in the header and make sure you're in the right one before moving on. Depending on your role, Subscriptions and Billing might appear under a section labeled Your Company or in a similar place within the menu. If you don't see it, it could be a permissions issue. Billing pages typically require admin or billing access. Inside the billing area, look for the option labeled View Payment History and select it. This opens a list of your past subscription charges. Here, you'll typically see each payment with the date it was processed, the amount charged, the payment method on file, and the status such as paid or failed. It's a straightforward snapshot that helps you confirm exactly what was billed and when. On the payment history page, QuickBooks often provides helpful tools like filters for narrowing down a specific date range and options to display more entries if you're reviewing several months at once. You may also notice links or buttons that allow you to open individual receipts or invoices, which can be useful for internal documentation. If the list appears empty or incomplete, double check that you're viewing the correct company and that you have the right permissions. That's all there is to it. Open the settings gear, go to Subscriptions and Billing, and select View Payment History. Keep this path in mind the next time you need to reconcile subscription expenses, share proof of payment with your accountant, or verify a recent charge. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay the any section if you want to follow along step by step while you're in QuickBooks Online.